Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we go again. Video number 9 of 21 in scientific measurements. Today we're going to be talking about exponential notation practice. So here we go. Bam! So exponential notation practice. Today we're just going to focus on going from the decimal form, that's what you see on your screen there, into exponential notation. You should also be able to go from exponential notation back to decimal form, and that should be a practice that you do on your own. So that top number, the 0.0000545, that number is less than 1. Since it's less than 1, I'm going to have a negative exponent. So I'm going to take where that decimal is, and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, and that will give me a number between 1 and 9. And that is the 5 there. So I'm going to have 5 decimal place, 4, 5, and however many spaces I moved it. And that was 5 places, I believe, and that's a negative exponent since it's less than 1. So 5.45 times 10 to the negative 5. All right, next one is 0.080. Okay, this number is also less than 1, so therefore my exponent is going to be negative. I'm going to move that decimal place to the right 2 places. That will give me 8.0 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay, then the next number is 0.004020. I'm going to take that decimal place, move it to the right 1, 2, 3 places. So I'm going to have 4.020 times 10 to the 3 negative. All right. The next one is 7.00. Do I move the decimal anywhere? No. The decimal stays right where it's at because the number to the left of the decimal is between 0 and 9, so I keep the number right there at a 7. So it's 7.00 times 10 to the 0. Okay, the next number is 50.0. I'm going to move the decimal place this time to the left instead of to the right. I'm going to move it to the left 1 place. So it's 5.00 times 10 to the 1. Notice that the exponent here is positive since the number 50.0 is greater than 10. The next number is 773. There's an imaginary decimal to the right of the 3, and I'm going to move it 2 places to the left, and that would be 7.73 times 10 to the 2. The next number has an imaginary decimal to the right of the trailing 0 on the right, and I'm going to move that decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So I'm going to have 3.4 times 10 to the 5. Next number is a 50, and I'm going to move that decimal place. With that decimal, there's an imaginary decimal to the right of the 0. I'm going to move it over 1 place, okay? And that's 5 times 10 to the 1. Now, I want you to notice something that I've done on all of these here, is I've maintained or kept the same number of significant figures in decimal form now are in exponential notation. So the other thing I want you to do is check how many significant figures you have in each number. And I've maintained the number of significant figures while going from decimal form into exponential notation. You need to do that in order to keep the precision of the number. You should be able to do the same thing if you move the decimal from exponential notation, the number from exponential notation to decimal form. So that should be a practice you do on your own. Okay. I am the Crazy Hat Chemist, and therefore I'm wearing a crazy hat. Give me a thumbs up on that video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time for General Rules of Rounding, which you should already know. Have a good day.